America's new BLU 129 bomb is turning its fighter jets into snipers. The BLU 129 is increasingly in demand because, among other things, it is capable of quickly tailoring its explosive charge depending upon the threat. The Air Force is revving up production of the air-dropped precision-guided BLU 129 bomb, increasingly in demand by warzone commanders so accurate, lethal and precise, it is called the world's largest sniper accuracy. The often requested weapon, described as an adaptable carbon fiber bomb, is specially engineered to control field effects and create low collateral damage resulting from air attacks. The Air Force is currently producing BLU 129 bomb bodies to address operational demand. Captain Hope Cronin, Air Force spokeswoman, told Warrior Maven. The BLU 129 is increasingly in demand because, among other things, it is capable of quickly tailoring its explosive charge depending upon the threat, using what's called variable yield effects. Variable yield effects allow for attackers to adjust the explosive power while in flight, in some cases enabling extremely effective, yet precise, more narrowly configured attacks. There are limited numbers of this weapon, and we want to hold onto it for those missions which need to have only that capability. Colonel Gary Haas, Air Force Research Laboratory, AFRL, told Warrior Maven in an interview last fall at an Air Force Association symposium. Developing what Air Force engineers call flight selectability is an essential element of this, as it will enable dynamic combat targeting to adapt while an aircraft is airborne. This can be done with a range of technologies to enable improved precision with multi-mode energetics and specialized structures engineered into the warhead. The BLU 129 is described as having innovations called adapted effects designed with a contained lethal radius, yet precise and substantial destructive ability. This allows a much reduced size of warhead with the same kill capability. Major Gen. Larry Stutzrium, USAF, Ret. Former fighter pilot and current director of research for the Mitchell Institute, said AFA in September of last year. Stutzrium characterized an explosive envelope as a combination of heat, blast and fragmentation. There is a compelling need for a new regime of munitions for expanded effects, according to Haas. Given that combat warfighters discovered more applications for the weapon beyond things it was initially built to do, the Air Force has been restarting production of the BLU 129 weapon. Accelerated production of the BLU 129 represents a significant element of an ongoing Air Force initiative to build increased attack flexibility within an individual warhead by adjusting timing, blast effect and detonation. We want to have options and flexibility so we can take out this one person with a hit-to-kill munition or crank it up and take out a truck or a white area, Haas told Warrior Maven.